everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Mie, your teacher for today. I hope you're having a calm, happy moment right now. Maybe you're drinking tea, or sitting on a bus, or hiding from your responsibilities. That's totally fine. Today, we have Daniel with us again. Hi, Daniel.
Hello, Mie, and hello to everyone listening. I'm happy to be here. My coffee is a little too hot, but I'll survive.
Good. If you faint, I'll have to do the whole podcast alone, and that's stressful, so please stay alive.
I'll try my best. Anyway, I'm ready for another nice, slow conversation.
Perfect. So today, we're taking a soft, gentle walk into one of my favorite topics, holidays. But before we jump in, let's do a warm-up. Daniel, how are you feeling today?
I feel good. A bit sleepy because I didn't sleep very well last night. My neighbor was having a karaoke party.
At 1 a.m.?
And trust me, Mie, they were not good singers.
Oh no. What were they singing?
I'm not sure. I just know the high notes were dangerous.
Dangerous high notes. Wonderful. So you didn't rest, but you still came to the podcast. That's dedication.
Or chaos. Maybe a mix of both.
A perfect mix. Anyway, let's start getting closer to our main topic. Before we talk about holidays, I want to warm up your English thinking. Daniel, can you tell the listeners something fun that happened to you this week?
Something fun. Oh, I tried baking cookies.
Oh no, I already feel a disaster coming.
Hey, it wasn't a disaster. At least, not a big one. I followed a simple recipe. Flour, butter, sugar, eggs. Easy, right?
That sounds safe.
Yes, but I used salt instead of sugar.
Daniel, no.
I know. I didn't see the label clearly, and the cookies tasted like sadness.
I can imagine. That is the taste of bad decisions.
Exactly.
So, in the end, did you eat them?
No, even my cat refused them.
When a cat refuses food, you know it's serious.
Very serious.
All right, warm-up complete. Now we can slowly walk into today's theme, talking about holidays in English. But before the big moment, I want to ask a simple question. Daniel, do you like holidays?
Yes, I love them. Holidays are the best part of the year. No work, no stress, just food and sleep.
You sound like a bear preparing for winter.
Honestly, that's my dream life.
So tell me, what is your favorite holiday?
I really like New Year's Eve. It feels fresh and exciting. Everyone is hopeful, everyone is eating something delicious, and I get to stay up late without feeling guilty.
That's true. New Year has a special energy, like the whole world is pressing the reset button.
Yes, exactly.
So when you talk about holidays in English, you usually describe what you do, how you feel, and why you like it. For example, my favorite holiday is New Year's Eve because I enjoy celebrating with friends. Simple, clean, clear.
That makes sense.
Good. Now let's explore some useful vocabulary. For holidays, you can use words like celebrate, travel, visit, relax, enjoy, tradition, food, gifts, family, friends. Very simple words, very powerful.
I know most of them. That feels good.
You deserve a gold star.
Thank you. I'll frame it.
You're welcome. Now let's continue. Daniel, when you were a child, what holiday did you enjoy the most?
Probably my birthday.
Your birthday counts as a holiday, yes. Why did you like it?
Because I got gifts and cake and attention.
You still like attention.
Don't expose me like that.
Sorry. Continue.
Well, my family always prepared a big meal. Nothing fancy, just simple food we all liked. And my grandma always told me the same joke every year. It wasn't funny, but she laughed so much that I started laughing too.
That sounds very sweet.
It was. I miss those moments.
Holidays often have the power to bring people together, and that makes them great topics for English learners because everyone has something to say.
True.
Let's practice describing a holiday step by step. First, the name of the holiday. Second, when it is celebrated. Third, what people usually do. Fourth, what you personally like. Simple structure.
Can I try?
Go ahead.
All right. My favorite holiday is New Year's Eve. It takes place on December 31st. People usually meet with family or friends, eat dinner together, and wait until midnight. Some people watch fireworks. What I like most is the feeling of starting a new year with hope.
That was perfect. Slow, clear, and natural.
Thank you. I tried my best.
Now let's make things more fun. I want us to imagine we're doing a holiday around the world tour. Let's talk about different places and how people celebrate.
That sounds exciting.
Great. So let's start somewhere warm. Imagine we are in Thailand during Songkran.
That's the water festival, right?
Yes, people throw water at each other in the streets.
That sounds like a dream on hot days.
Yes, and like a nightmare if you're holding your phone.
True. I would cry if my phone got wet.
Same. So how would we describe that holiday in English?
Something like, in Thailand, people celebrate Songkran in April. It is the traditional Thai New Year. People splash water on each other to symbolize cleaning and new beginnings. It is fun, lively, and refreshing.
Nice. I like the word refreshing.
Me too. Now let's move to Europe. Imagine Christmas in Germany.
Let me guess. Lots of food?
Yes, and Christmas markets, lights, music, decorations, and cold weather.
Cold weather is not my favorite.
Same. I was born for warm weather and iced tea.
So how would we describe Christmas in Germany?
Like this. In Germany, people celebrate Christmas in December. Many families decorate a Christmas tree and give gifts. The streets are full of Christmas markets where people buy sweets, food, and handmade crafts.
Very calm and cozy.
Exactly. So holidays in English are usually described with simple vocabulary about traditions, food, weather, and feelings.
I see.
Now, let's come back to you. I want you to describe a holiday you don't like.
Ooh, dangerous question.
Maybe, but fun.
I don't really like Valentine's Day.
Why not?
Because everything is pink and expensive, and restaurants are full, and people look at you weird if you're eating alone.
Eating alone is a skill.
I agree.
So describe it for us.
Valentine's Day is on February 14th. It is a day for couples to celebrate love. People buy flowers, chocolates, or go to restaurants. But I don't enjoy it because it feels too commercial and crowded.
That was great and very honest.
Honesty is my superpower.
And your weakness.
Maybe, but at least I'm consistent.
All right, let's now build a longer conversation about holidays, like a real podcast scene. Let's imagine you and I are planning a holiday trip together.
That sounds fun. Where are we going?
Somewhere not too expensive, where teachers and students, our wallets cry easily.
True. So maybe a beach?
Perfect, I love beaches. So what do we need to bring?
Sunscreen,
Yes, very important.
sunglasses,
Also important.
snacks,
The most important.
and maybe a book.
Nice idea. A book for the beach is always a good companion.
So in English, we can say, for a beach holiday, I bring sunscreen, sunglasses, snacks, and a book.
Exactly. Clear and simple vocabulary.
What do we do at the beach?
Swim, relax, sunbathe, play volleyball, build sandcastles, eat ice cream, and complain about the heat.
I'm good at complaining.
Most humans are.
True.
Now, let's practice a mini dialogue about planning a beach holiday.
I'll start.
Go ahead.
Hi, Me. Do you want to go to the beach this weekend?
Yes, that sounds great. What time should we go?
Maybe early in the morning. It's not too hot then.
Good idea. What should we bring?
Sunscreen, towels, snacks, and maybe a ball to play with.
Perfect. I can bring fruit and water.
Then we're ready.
Good job. That was a perfect A2 level conversation.
Thank you. I feel proud.
You should. Now, let's talk about holiday preferences. Do you prefer relaxing holidays or active holidays?
Relaxing, for sure. I don't want to climb a mountain on my day off.
Fair. I like a mix, some adventure, but also naps.
Naps are necessary.
Exactly. So for learners, you can say, I prefer relaxing holidays because I like to rest and enjoy quiet time.
Or, I enjoy active holidays because I like exploring new places and trying new activities.
Beautiful.